scene here as firefighters are working to put out this
haze for weeks. Northern Thailand is the
crackdown on illegal loggers and illegal mining.
Testing those hazardous materials that were shipped to.
The earth was blessed with the gift of Mother Nature. We saw the elegance of nature at its best. There's no doubt that nature was the beauty of the earth. Then we, humans, began roaming the earth and started to shape the earth to our liking. We made changes that harmed the nature. The excessive usage of natural resources and the production of pollutants from our activities are the major factor in this problem. The world has changed, and so the perception about the importance of nature. You can see the difference. We asked a few people on the thought about this particular topic.
What problem have you encountered regarding pollution?
My name is Andika Amir, and I work as a farmer at a farm in Senawang. These past few years, I have seen factories start to dump their dangerous toxic waste into the river that waters my crops. Most of my crops were damaged and other plants started to wither as a result. From this action, I also saw that the water quality has worsened. I can't sell any of the damaged crops and I've started to lose money rather than making money because of this. I really hope that the government will take action on this matter.
Thank you for sharing your story on this topic. I think that any problem will have their own solution, such as this one. For the next question, I would direct it to an agriculturist that specializes in this field.
My name is Mohamad Aqil and I am an agriculturist. Thank you for having me to address this problem. I need everyone to follow these steps to help our mother nature. Firstly, we need to follow the 3 R's. That is, reduce, reuse, and recycle. 3 R's are a cycle system to make our mother nature safe. For example, separating wet trash and dry trash into different trash bin or recycle bin. Next, we must not throw trash in the river. Instead doing that, we dispose trash inside the trash can or the recycle bin that has been provided. Other than that, the government should take action by enforcing the law and making it safe again. That is all from me. I hope we can make our mother nature be beautiful again.
After a few months, Mr. Aqil video has went viral. We decided to visit Mr. Andika to see his condition.
Hey Andika,
Hey Adam,
how have you been?
I've been good. I've started to sell my crops to the market and the waters in the river have been good. I've made enough money to buy a new acre of land. Thanks to Mr. Aqil for the advice.
In conclusion, this problem can be solved with the effort of everyone. We need to come together to succeed in sustaining Mother Nature. Thank you for our community to make this a big success. Together, we can make our Mother Nature safe again. And that is all from us. Thank you for watching.